Hikvision Speed Dome PTZ Camera. How to install. The Ultra Series cameras are the professional's choice for many complicated scenarios. They are equipped with superb imaging ability and backed by a 50 times zoom ratio and the patented Dark Fighter X technology, as well as intelligent functions. High-resolution pan-tilt zoom (PTZ) cameras help users get wide area coverage and zoom in for further detail in the case of security events with a single camera. They enable users to view from any angle, in any detail, at any moment. Install the memory card. Note, this step is optional. Put back the bubble and tighten the screws. Route the device cables through the main body of the bracket. Install the main body of the bracket on the dome. Tighten the set screws. Route the cables through the waterproof connector. Note, secure the expansion bolts into the wall in advance according to the hole positions on the bracket. Secure the junction box into the wall with the 4 screws. Route the cables through the waterproof connector. Hook the assembled bracket and the device up to the junction box. Connect the network cable. Connect the power cable. Close the cable box and tighten the set screws. Hikvision, the first choice for security professionals. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.